Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SKLZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, an interesting setup here, just because the price, as maybe bizarre as it sounds, just at least finally started to go sideways. And to build a little context, I'll squeeze out. Going sideways is something that it's rarely done, as this thing has drifted lower and lower and lower. And let me be very clear, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price has started to go sideways does not mean that for sure guaranteed this is the bottom. My point here is it at least is it at least a rational thought to have that this could be the bottom? Yeah, it absolutely is a valid thought to have, and that's also why this is a very important level of support to watch moving forward, is right here at 1850, and nothing fancy other than the fact of, well, if this is the bottom, if the price is finally done going down, well, then it needs to be done going down, meaning you don't want to see it breaking below $18.50, because that would imply the price is all of a sudden putting in new lows, which is obviously still going down. So like I said, I'm not trying to insult your intelligence, but that is why, for a very straightforward reason, 1850 is important, because if this is the bottom, then hey, you want to see it at least go sideways, and go sideways relative to what? Well, 1850. So as long as the price stays above 1850, no matter how choppy it gets, it's not a guaranteed bottom, but it's a rational thought to have. Whereas if the price were to go down there and blast down through it, well, at that point in time, yeah, it would no longer be valid to say, I think this is still the bottom, as the price, is just blasting down below there. Now, if this is some sort of bottom and the price starts to bounce back upwards, first key level of resistance, watch very closely, going to be right up there at 1985. And then after 1985, you're going to want to watch more so the overarching level, which is that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at 22.45. But remember, that is a moving average, so that value is going to change as time goes by. But overall, very interesting setup here headed into Friday, and let's see if this is indeed some sort of bottom that is formed. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.